Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install machine learning service in Microsoft SQL Server 2025. So first here, we need to download and install the Python. So in Google search box, write there Python, then go on this Python org site. So let's go on this download. And here, I'm going to download the Python version 10. So this you can see different version is there. So let's or here going to use Python version. You can also use 10.2. So here let's click on this download. Thereafter you need to scroll down and here you can see this is 64-bit Windows installer. So this download that has completed. Now let's click on this in folder and here let's double click of this Python 3.10. So here you need to select this option, customize installation. Here let's select add path and click on this customize. Documentation, that's not required. Let's click on next. Here you need to select install for all users. And this is the location where Python 3.10 is going to install. After that, simply you need to click on this install button. Now this comes from Python Software Foundation. Let's click on yes button. And here you can see setup progress. Python is now installing inside the Windows machine. Our setup was successful. Python 3.10 that install. The next is let's go on this download section. This here you can get to SQL Server 2025. Let's double click. Now thereafter let's go on this setup Microsoft Corporation SQL Server. Let's click on yes button. Now let's click on this installation. New SQL Server stand-alone installation, add features to an existing installation. Now thereafter let's click on next. So SQL Server that's already is there, so that selecting this option add feature, here this going to uncheck. Next, here you can see this all. There I'm going to select machine learning services. So this here. Now let's click on next. Here you can see SQL Server Launchpad automatic. Let's click on next and now click on install. So this here machine learning services that installing inside the Microsoft SQL Server 2025. Now you can see this machine learning services extension that installed successful. Let's click on this close. Now after installing machine learning services in Microsoft SQL Server, you need to restart your system. The next is let's search your command prompt. So command prompt, then right click on this run as administrator Microsoft. Let's click on yes button. And here you need to use these three commands. First is changing the directory. Second is installing some packages. Paste there. And now you can see this. So first part, that's done here. Now this will do the installation of other packages like pandas. This one, for this net must be connected. So this already installed there, successfully installed. Okay, this message. So no need to worry about this one. Let's use the CLS. And the next is here granting the permission for launchpad services. So let's use this command iCast and paste there. So this is now processing. So second here permission. So successfully processed 7846 files. Let's use the CLS. The next is here after this here we need to configure the runtime with SQL Server. So let's use this command. Press enter. So this here is stopping the my MS SQL Launchpad, and now this here is starting. So this turn here. After that, so we need to use their SSMS now. Let's use their SQL Server Management Studio SSMS. So 21% is there. Give the password and now click on this connect. This is connected. New query, click on. Thereafter, the next is here we need to enable the script. Let's click on this execute. So enable. Thereafter, here we need to check is it enable or not. If the value that come 1, then this here that enable. So for this one, we need to use this command. So value that come there 1. That means that's external script that enable. After that, here pasting sample Python codes inside Microsoft SQL Server. So let's use this. And now click on this execute. So execute external script, language Python script. So this will here display. Here you can see Q part that's displaying there. So 2 power Q that is 8 and 5 power 3 that is 125 that's displaying. So this is how we can install machine learning services inside Microsoft SQL Server 2025. So I will paste this all important step in the description. From there you can get. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.